Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's another exciting day. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. So if you have not, please like and subscribe to my video. Follow me on Instagram where I post products, flat lays, new products that I get, old products that I have. Anyways, in today's video we are going to be doing a new subscription box review. This is the Ipsy Glam bag review. I used to have Ipsy a long time ago when it was $10. Okay, so Ipsy is a $12 a month beauty subscription box, and you get to customize. You're supposed to be able to customize it to everything to fit your skin and your colors and whatever you want. Because I do like getting products to try, and the products that you get, they're usually really good. Anyways, let's stop blabbling. So this is what I got, and it's valued at $50. This is a little pamphlet for the month of April. It says, "Force of nature. Whether you love your naked face or feel naked without your red lipstick, do what feels natural to you." That's nice. Okay, so let's just take out all the products. Oh, this is the little bag for the month. It's cute. These little bags do come in handy. So this is the first item. It is the Nomad Cosmetics Tuscany Intense Eyeshadow and Aperitivo. This is really cute. Look how cute it is. And this is a deluxe size. So this is it's an eyeshadow. I thought it was a blush. Oh, it's so cute. So this is the packaging here. Oh, it's pretty. I've always wanted to try Nomad Cosmetics because they have really pretty packaging. So this is going to be really pretty on. So I will include it in a look. Really, really nice. So I am happy with that. And then, so the full-size version retails for $22. And then the next item I got was a golden faded MD Wakeup Haul overnight regenerative facial treatment. Oh my gosh, that was a lot to say. So beauty sleep is real. People at night, your skin enters repair mode. That is so true. This contains retinol, smooth lines, coenzymes Q10 to fight free radicals, and avocado grapeseed oil to hydrate your skin while you sleep. Okay, this is nice because this is another like little face mask treatment. This is a deluxe size. And the full version is worth $85. It has a little seal thing. I want to see if it smells or not. Oh, it has like a lemony type, citrus type of smell. Okay. This will be good. You see, the good thing about deluxe sizes is these are perfect whenever you travel. And like, when you're in the plane, whatever, you need to put something on your face. These you could just keep even in your pocket if you need to. That's what I do like about deluxe sizes like this, because you don't have to be like searching all over to get. Okay, the next item is another skincare item. Verify Skincare 2020 Eye Cream. So here is the eye cream. Give your delicate eyes the TLC deserves with this do it all again eye cream. The magic inside the bottle, depuffifying cucumber extract, brightening, and hydration levels. So this eye cream doubles as a perfect primer for smooth skin. Oh, okay. That's really good. So this eye cream also doubles as a perfect primer for skin and for the makeup application. So that will be really good because like I'm starting to get these little, I don't know what the hell they are, little lines whenever I put my eye makeup on, and I hate them. So this retails, the bigger size retails for $85. The next item is my Skinny Mask Turmeric Vitamin C Clay Mask. I love these. Get your glow on with this Australian-made brightening mask. It uses natural sources of vitamin C and Australian clay to purify pores and boost circulation. Oh my gosh, this is going to be really nice to use. Whatever, it has a little seal. It has a seal. Anything with turmeric is really great for your skin. And the retail value of this is $53. So those are the items that come in this month's Ipsy bag, and apparently now you get to choose an item each month, which you didn't get to do that back then. So that is really, I'm really excited about that, because the item I chose was this Anastasia Beverly Hills mini eye primer. I can't have too many eye primers, and I like this size because this is another great traveling size of an eye primer. And this is just exactly what it says. Eyeshadow base primer to make your colors pop. Tiny smooth amount, you just gotta put a tiny smooth amount onto your lids or more depending on how much you want your eyeshadows to pop. And the full size of this retails for $13. $13 for the bigger size of this? I didn't know that. I might go get a bigger size if this works really well, because I've heard mixed reviews about it, but I would only know until I try it. And I will use this with the Norvina palettes or the Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes too. So that was everything I got in my first Ipsy Glam bag for the month of April. I am super excited. I have a code with Ipsy too if you guys want to go grab an Ipsy Glam bag. I will leave my code down below for you. So if you have not, please like and subscribe to my videos. Follow me on Instagram. Please give this video a thumbs up so it can help my algorithm so I can get in there and keep on suggesting more videos like this for you guys. I will fix the lighting as soon as I can. So this is my first Ipsy Glam bag. I'm really excited about it, to bring it back into my life. It was gone for so long, and I like the price point, $12. That's a good price point to get little samples of makeup to try. That's what I do like about this. Please don't raise the price of this. If you have not, please like and subscribe to my video. Follow me on Instagram where I will post these items that I got, and I will do flat lays with them. I like to do flat lay videos, and you just lay out all the products and you take really pretty pictures and you post them. I have a bunch of friends that also like to do flat lays. Theirs are really beautiful. So that's all for tonight, everybody. Before Alice got to Wonderland, she had to fall. Bye, everybody. Have a good evening.